Hey my beautiful people, so today I am going to show you this twisted bun hairstyle. I love this hairstyle because no matter what your age is, you can wear this. You can pop some bows on it. For your little girls, you can put those like gold little clip things on it. If you're older, this style to me is very universal. So here I'm just going to part down the middle of the head. Now if you're not really great at parting straight lines in the middle, you can always do like a little zigzag, a little wavy part, like whatever works for you. It was kind of hard for me to try to do this as straight as possible without being able to like move it around so you guys can see it. So I was just trying my hardest to get it parted as straight as possible. But it really did turn out great. So as y'all can see, my little cousin went in with some scissors and tried to give my mannequin some bangs, I guess. I don't know what she was doing, but yeah. But we're going to go a little old school here. Y'all remember when y'all were young and you used to pull those like two little strands out in front of your face? We're going to do that here. I used to love this thing. I have not done this in so long. I really need to like create a little style for me to pull out my hair in the front. I used to love wearing my hair like that. So I'm going to use the Pantene Maximum Hold Gel. And normally, this is not something I would use if I was like doing my little cousin's hair or probably even my hair, just depending on, how my hair wants to act that day. But because my little cousin cut these like bangs into my mannequin's head, I need something that's going to really slick that part of the hair down. So I went ahead and did the gel because I have so much of it for some reason. Oh, that's right, because I don't use it, but people keep giving me gel. Yeah. So I'm just going to use it on my mannequin. Whatever you use to like slick your hair into a ponytail is what I suggest. I also suggest that before you put whatever you're going to put on your hair, you put some moisture on your hair, because this is a really good protective style because your hair will be like secured in this bun, and the only parts that will really be out are the first little two kind of bang pieces. Those are the only parts that'll be out. Okay, so I switched brushes right here because I had that soft bristle brush that sucks in my opinion. Like, it's not really good for trying to put your hair into ponytails and things of that nature. So I switched over to a hard bristle brush. They are my favorite for doing like ponytails and buns because they really slick that hair down. I mean, it be slicked. So after I kind of get it as smooth as I want it, I took some rubber bands to like put on there, which you'll see I don't stick with the rubber bands later on in this video, but I start off with the rubber bands. And just position that ponytail wherever you want your buns to start. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other side of the head. Okay, so now that they're in ponytails, I was like, they're just not tight enough for me. So I went and found some scrunchies, some hair ties, some elastic bands, whatever y'all call these things. And I just put them around the ponytail because I feel like scrunchies really get the hair tighter and like without like a bunch of pressure, but it's better. Like better than rubber bands because they're a little flimsy. So now I'm just gonna comb through after I took that extra rubber band off. I'm gonna comb through the hair once again. I told y'all this mannequin gets tangled super fast, super quick, super easily. And I'm gonna break it down in a couple of parts just to like comb through it and also to twist it up. Okay, so at this point I'm gonna start to break down the hair down in some sections. I suggest that you break down your hair based on how much hair you have, how thick it is, how coarse it is, to your liking. So I want to slow down this part for my people who don't know how to do these twists. And I try to get as close as possible and slow it down so that you guys can see exactly how I'm moving my hands so you guys will know how to do these twists. For my people who know how to do this, this is just whatever for y'all. But I want to slow it down for my people who haven't done this before or are trying to figure out how people get their twist to look like this. This is how. So you want to make sure that you're twisting your hand as you're twisting it around the twist, if that makes sense. I hope it does. Okay, so this is where I started to wrap the hair around. I'm just taking a strand and wrapping it around, and then I'm going to wrap the next one in the opposite direction. You just want to make sure that you're covering up whatever you have in there. Because I had such a large scrunchie, I had to make sure I covered it up. The more hair you have, the bigger your buns will possibly be. The less hair you have, the smaller your buns are, but you can fluff them up a little bit. You can even do like a little donut and just like wrap your hair strands around it and pull out some of those twists to make it look bigger. So there is the first one. My mannequin never wants to stay on that mannequin stand. My mannequin stand is a little cheap, so it's not like heavy, and anytime I'm moving, it's moving. Yeah, the struggle. But basically, I'm going to repeat the same process on the other side. So sit back and enjoy. Okay, guys, so you can flat iron those first two pieces if you, those front two pieces if you want to. But this is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope this is simple and easy for you to do. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, peace out. Much love.